Walking around different streets here and different alleys in Rome remind me a little bit of when I was walking around in Vienna. Difference is Vienna is almost picture perfect clean, while here in Rome, this place is absolutely filthy. Oh, I think these are cop vehicles. Carabinieri. I have to be more careful. I was nearly hit by that vehicle. Getting distracted here. It's easy to get distracted in a new city, something completely new and different. But anyways, Vienna is almost like it never needed to be restored. Here, the Italians, they just let stuff get old and dusty and dirty. I mean, it's too bad, but it is a stunning place.